Hello, my name is Aaron. I am a certified life coach, mindfulness and meditation practitioner, and mindset guru. This is the first of many videos that I am doing a series on personal development. I'm going to teach you how you can systematically go through this process so that you can end up living the life that you want to live, full of well-being, abundance, and prosperity. If you find the content in this video valuable, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get updates and notifications on all future videos. So I figured for the first video, we could start with negative experiences because for many, this is where we begin our personal development journey. There's some type of negative experience or a negative perception of an experience that happens in our life, and this will cause us to do one of two things. The first thing that many people do is to develop a victim mindset. And I'm pretty sure you have seen this in your life, whether it be you or whether it be other people. This is when we have that negative perception or that negative experience and we stay stuck in that energy. Typically, this happens when we blame ourselves or we blame other people or we blame the world, and we don't actually move forward in the process of personal development. So if you're in this place, then you may be asking yourself, how can I move forward? Well, that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. The second thing is, as you've already guessed it, you actually do not have that victim mindset and you're able to move forward in the process of your personal development. But if you are in the first situation, I always say that negative situations or negative experiences serve a purpose in our life. They provide us clarity on what we want, clarity on what will make us happy, clarity on what will actually fulfill us. So an example that I love to give falls in the area of relationships. There are 7 areas of life: health and fitness, relationships, career, finance, personal development, spirituality, and recreation. I like the example of a negative relationship because I feel like many people can relate to this, whether it be a previous partner or lover that you've had, someone in your family, a friend, colleague, co-worker. It doesn't matter. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and bring to mind a negative relationship. Perhaps it's one that you're going through right now or one that you went through in the past. Go ahead and bring that to mind. So as I said, negative experiences always provide us clarity on what we want or what will make us happy, what will fulfill us. So the first thing that you can ask yourself about that negative experience is just the basic questions. What happened? What happened? So go ahead and ask yourself that question. Perhaps you want to pause this video and journal about it. Maybe you want to do some active imagination, talk to yourself about it, however you want to get to that answer. So once you have figured out what happened, you want to ask yourself, how did I feel? Typically, we will have some type of emotional response to an experience or our perception of an experience. That emotional response will start as a somatic sensation, so a feeling within the body, and then we will apply a concept over the top of that feeling. So say you feel some heat rising in your body, or you feel tingling sensations in your fingers and your toes. Maybe you even feel it in your heart or your stomach area. At the core of it, it's just a feeling. But once we apply that concept over the top, we'll say, okay, this heat or this tingling means that I am angry. We give it a name. We give it this energy. So you can ask yourself, how did you feel? What did you feel? And then an important question is to ask yourself as well, how did you respond to that feeling? How did you respond to this situation? When you answer these 3 questions, and if you do this, using a variety of experiences or even perhaps a variety of negative relationships, you're going to discover a pattern of behavior. How you typically respond to negative situations, or when things aren't going your way, or when you don't like whatever the outcome is. So answer those first 3 questions, okay? But then the big question is, what did this teach you? So going back to our example of a negative relationship, perhaps you had a lover who cheated on you in the past. or who was never honest with you. They always lied to you. Well, when you think about this relationship taught you that I want someone who is honest. I want someone who has integrity. I want someone who really wants to be in a relationship. You can ask yourself, what does a wonderful, fulfilling, well-meaning relationship look like to you? What are the characteristics of that relationship? What are the characteristics of your previous partner? And what are the characteristics of a partner that you feel is right for you? So you can see, you can either stay stuck in your victim mindset, stay stuck in this place of having this negative energy about you. If you stay focused on that negative experience, you don't begin to ask yourself these questions that will allow you to probe deeper so that you can actually get the answers that you need in order to begin the process of personal development. And of course, you can apply this concept and these questions to the other areas of life. I'm just using a negative relationship because I feel like it's one that everybody can relate to. But you can do the same thing for health and fitness. Say your health is on a decline. You can ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Is this teaching me that I need to exercise more? Is this teaching me that I need to eat healthier? What does exercising more look like for me? What does eating healthier look like for me? What is this negative situation teaching me, and how is it providing clarity in my life? So hopefully this short video has allowed you to reflect back on your own experiences, on negative experiences, or your negative perceptions of certain situations that are going on in your life, and to begin to help you to move out of a victim mindset and into a victor mindset, into a place where you're actually able to move forward in life and begin your personal development journey. Keep an eye out for my next few videos, because I'm going to go through each of the 7 areas of life systematically and give you some tips, some tools, and techniques that you can use in your personal development journey. Once again, if you found the information in this video valuable, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you can get notifications and updates on all future videos.